Hi friend, Marian Santos here, potentials.com, signing at our channel. Let's study God's Word. So, ang daily hope natin today with Pastor Rick Warren is, resentment hurts you more than anyone else. So, yung Bible verse niya is from Job chapter 5 verse 2. To worry yourself to death with resentment would be a foolish, senseless thing to do. So, bakit naman po? Why is it a useless exercise to focus on resentment? So, ang in-example ni Pastor Rick Warren here is the story of Job. So, ano bang nangyari kay Job, di ba? Job was a godly man, but he experienced a lot of challenges. So, yung family, yung mga children niya, no, was struck by a terrible storm. Tapos, yung wife niya was asking him, why are you allowing this to happen? Parang gusto niya i-question ni Job si God, no? Why is this is happening to him? Things like that, no? So, pati yung, since he was rich, pati yung kanyang mga wealth and property, so, nawala din siya. Tapos, he even got sick. He got a terrible disease. So sabi niya, he literally lost everything he had except yung wife nga. Pero parang inaano niya, why don't you curse God and die? So parang yun naman yung yung word niya kay Job. So yung group of friends naman niya, parang sinisisi nila si Job, it's your fault, parang why this thing happened to you. But amid all these things, he did not give up his faith in the Lord. So sabi niya, di ba? So if you think back through experiences in your life, you'll probably agree. Have you ever done things you regret that you were caught up in resentment? So ano ba yung sinabi niya? God's friend was wise. He knew even in the midst of the great heartache, resentment wouldn't help. It would just make things worse. As friend, alam mo, yung if you analyze yung resentment, the more we focus on it, yung affected is us. So, baka tayo nagkakasakit, tayo yung depressed, no? Yung person na nire-resent natin, after all, baka hindi niya na alam na we are feeling bad, we are having some second thoughts, or we are harboring mga ill feelings towards him, pero siya hindi na pala aware, pero tayo lang yung affected, tayo yung hurt, tayo yung angry, no? So, things like that. So, if you are hurt and angry, so sino yung affected? Di ba ikaw lang? So, more than the person directed yung resentment mo. So, why hold on to your resentment for one more minute? Let go of resentment today. Choose to forgive and enjoy living to the freedom that forgiveness brings. Yan. So, alam ko hindi naman easy to forget or to forget things that are being done to us. But, yung is, the adverse effect is on us. Parang every day we feel down, every day we feel so negative because we are focusing on that. So, ito yung reflection natin. What are some ways you've seen resentment hurt you or someone you care about? So, ayan, ano ba yung mga instances we were asked by Pastor Warren to recall? How was your life changed for the better when you let go of what hurt rather than hanging on to resentment? So, can you think of things na you gave up or you let go just because it's not doing you good already? What past hurt do you need to forgive in order to let go of lingering resentment? So friend, kung meron ka pa daw lingering resentment right now, it's right time to let go and move on towards a better life, a better environment, a better future, para you'll be given the opportunity to be happy, to be fulfilled, and to achieve all your goals. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.